Hello, everyone. I'm Katrina. I'm the Sigma lead at phData, and today I'm going to be covering how to make dynamic chart labels. You can see here I've got a very simple bar chart that's showing my sales by product type, and I want to label it with something that gives my end user an indicator of what the top selling product is and maybe the average order value. Sigma has a text element, so I'm going to click to add one of those in and just drag it up here. And you can see here that I can just start typing in something that I want to label my chart as. I can put in my text and I can say our top selling product is, and then I hit the equal sign and you can see I'm given a pop-up box. It's like a calculation or the formula bar in a regular table. And I can say pretty much anything that you would put in a regular calculation in here. So I'm going to say if rank sum of sales equals 1, then product type. You'll note that Sigma is pulling in the name of the table and then this slash and then the name of the column, and doing the same thing here for the name of the table or the element and then the name of the column as well. I'm going to put that in there, let it load, arts and entertainment. And I would also want to add the average order value, so I can click space again and start typing anything else I want to add. Again, I press the equal, same statement basically. If rank equals 1, then average order value. And I can click on this field and I can format it however I want. I can do dollar and maybe let's round it up so it's a little bit easier to read. And now when I start to interact with my visuals or interact with my control elements, we can start to see how this information changes. And looks like arts and entertainment is the most popular selling product in most of these regions. But you do see how our average order value is populating. So let's say maybe we just want to look at orders with an average order value of less than 4,200. And there we go. Now we can see that our product type is updating. This is something that I find really handy when I want to provide extra context to my analysis. I want to guide my end user to understand exactly what I would like them to glean. The most common scenario that I use this is when I am displaying date ranges for the data that is displayed in here. So a min and a max of a date range in there. And you might be asking yourself, well, Katrina, what if I want to have my average order value equal a dollar amount in here? You'll note that when you want to start typing a function in here, you press equal. And if you want Sigma to display that equal, you just need to click a little bit before that equal sign, and then it'll add it in there. So a trick within a trick for you. And that's all you need to do to add dynamic labels. Thanks for following along on this Sigma Made Simple.